afternoon, explorers.
Good afternoon.
Welcome back to our continuation of Universal Studios.
Yes. So we're about to head into Islands of Adventure. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get much done.
Yeah, we're gonna try to make as much as we can out of this video, and that I know we're trying to maintain a positive attitude after you've been run around through the whole day like that.
Yeah, heard it through a million people.
Yeah. It's just something needs to change.
Probably tip one, don't try to do both parks in one day.
Yeah, or at least don't do it at the same time
So
that they're trying to do Halloween Horror Nights.
What we have is a 2-park 1-day pass, and it's not worth the extra money that we spent. We should have just got the 1-day pass.
Yeah, and maybe do it on a weekday instead of a weekend.
Yeah, that probably too. So.
All right, well, let's try to make the most of it and see what we can do.
Okay.
So we picked up an express pass for Hagrid's.
Yes.
That's over an hour wait. And now we're going to try to head over to Jurassic Park and actually wait online.
Here it was only it was 75 minutes and now it's 60 minutes, so
yeah,
maybe we'll look out and it'll be like the Mummy where it'll be quicker than yeah.
But there were no free lockers either. That was weird. If you miss your locker time, they make you pay extra.
I'm gonna call this the most frustrating sequel ever.
Yes.
So after the all and that's what we've been hearing for the past hour.
So they told us the ride was going to start again.
It was an all clear. And then they decided to tell us that there's an extended period of time that they're going to have. It's undetermined, so we're welcome to leave if we really want to leave.
After we've waited almost an hour.
Yeah. So we're going to try to stick it out another 10 minutes to see what happens. But a good majority of the people left the line.
So we think it must be really serious, like this is a whole meetings of the minds for
Best Buy Geek spoiler.
Yeah.
So we were forced to exit the queue. They said they have no idea what's wrong with it. They said it's officially closed.
But we grabbed a whole bunch of these passes.
So we're going to see if we can't get on any other rides. We're supposed to head back to Hagrid, so let's find out if that's ready.
Let's see if we can do that.
Here's hoping that we'll actually get to go on this one.
We might.
One of the things we wanted to mention was that to date this kind of too is the actual actor that played Hagrid died yesterday.
Yeah,
God rest his soul.
Right, and we wanted to honor his memory and ride his ride.
Yeah. So we figured we'd check it out. I don't think I'll be able to really record anything.
No. Look over here though. Look.
Yeah. This is the ride itself.
Isn't that awesome?
Attention. For everyone's safety, loose articles are not permitted on the motorbike. Oversized cameras, creatures, souvenir cups, mugs, and any other loose
Almost there.
Almost there.
That was a lot of fun.
Oh my god, I got to ride in the front row and it really feels like you're on a bike.
Yeah.
Because you can't see anyone behind you. So like you were doing like 90 miles an hour on a bike.
I mean, you're not going to go upside down. It's a simple roller coaster, but you take off and get some real speed on it.
Gage's favorite ride, Spider-Man. Hopefully this one won't won't break down either.
Yeah, so we're using our comp passes that they gave us.
Yep.
Just to see if we can get on this one and knock one more out before we have to leave.
Well, hopefully too.
Yeah, if we can get another one done, that'd be great, but we're at least hoping to get this one done.
Yep.
Another one bites the dust.
Guess what happened?
Yep, we are sitting on the broken down Spider-Man.
We are stuck in the middle of the track. And just stuck here. How is this possible to break down this much? I don't know.
The good news was is that they actually were able to get the ride started again relatively quick. So we finished Spider-Man, but for the inconvenience, they actually gave us something to ride another one. So I don't know, maybe we'll be able to get another 2 rides out of this. Be pretty cool. All right, onward to King Kong. Hopefully we can catch that one.
Alright, so we're standing in front of King Kong. It's one of my favorite rides. It's based off the 2005 King Kong with Jack Black.
Oh, that was fun. We finished Kong. Now we're gonna head over to Dr. Seuss.
Yeah, the train ride.
Yeah,
So
I think that's where we're gonna wrap up our day too.
we're hoping maybe we'll get a cat in a hat too.
Yeah.
So fingers crossed.
Yep. We only have an hour left before the park closes. All right, so we made it to the Dr. Seuss trolley train.
Yep.
Yeah, sorry, it has been a long day.
Yeah, so this ride was Nikolai's favorite since he was like 2 feet tall.
Yeah.
He would make us take him on it all the time. So we're just gonna go and have a little reminiscence.
At the top of the tent, look, the star of the show.
My name is Sylvester McMonkey McBean. You want stars like a star that sneaks out.
That was it for the Sneeches.
Yep. I think we're gonna try to ride Cat in the Hat if they let us, because we got 4 more passes.
Yep. And I think we're gonna wrap it up here.
Yep.
Get something to eat and go back to our room.
Yeah, hopefully we find something good, because I'm not sure yet.
Yeah.
So she said, you sure you want to use us? It's only a 5-minute wait, but we're not coming back, so
Yep, this is the last ride.
might as well. Our little cars have made it.
Seems to be a lot of things that happen that are crazy when that cat's around.
Yeah.
I'd have him neutered.
Check out this store though. You can get all of your thing 1 and thing 2 things here.
Look at this.
What?
There's one for your,
And a future thing too.
if you're expecting one.
Yeah. I have this mug over here. Mom loves this mug. I have that one at home. Alright, so after we left the park, we were going to stop at the chocolate factory and have dinner there. The line was out the door. So we ended up at a place called the Bread Box. And they have all these delicious looking sandwiches up there. And they also have a hazelnut chocolate milkshake that Gage has to get. So I think this is what we're going to do. We're going to pack it up and take it back to the hotel. 25 minutes.
25-minute wait to get our order to go.
For sandwiches.
For sandwiches. And seeing as how it's already after 9,
We're never getting
we're just
out of here.
taking them and we're going back to our room, eating and probably crashing.
Yes, we're never getting out of here though.
No.
We live here now.
Yeah. Okay, explorers, I think that's going to conclude our Universal
Islands
trip.
of Adventure trip, yeah. So, I mean, we had a good time. It's just Islands of Adventure, well, actually all of Universal. kind of need to get their stuff together. As much as we spent $160 for 2-park 1-day pass, and
So that's one warning we wanted to give you to begin with, was that don't try to do it unless you only have a set amount of rides that you want to do, that maybe 5 at each park.
It used to be possible, but it's not anymore.
Yeah, they're just bringing in too many people.
Yeah. What we also noticed, so when Universal Studios closed, everybody went from Universal, they went over to Islands of Adventure. When Islands of Adventure closed, everybody went from there to
City Walk. We're not original, we understand that, but that's what we noticed. That's our observation, is that that's what happens. We have an idea, likely everybody else has the same idea. So everybody went to the same flow from park to park to City Walk.
Our suggestion, though, probably is that you, if you're going to go to Universal,
spread it out.
Go for a couple days, do the whole thing where you just do 1 park a day. Maybe you do City Walk while everyone's at the park, and just enjoy the hotels there. Book those hotels early, because I tried a week before and they were sold out.
Yeah, so we ended up with the partner hotel instead of the actual resort hotel.
Yeah.
All right, off the soapbox. We were really there for Nikolai's birthday, and he had a great time.
He did. And my favorite ride's the Hagrid's motorbike ride.
Yeah, that was
my
fun.
God. That will make you feel like just adrenaline, because, especially front row, if you can, front row, because, oh my God, you felt like you were going 90 on a motorcycle.
Right.
And that's something I'll never do.
Exactly. But, all right, well, I think this is where we're going to leave you.
Yeah, we got a long trip home.
Yep. Thank you for coming along with us, and maybe subscribe if you haven't. If you have subscribed, you're awesome, but there's no risk. Just subscribe.
Yeah, no risk. It's not going to hurt you. We don't bombard you with a lot of videos, so.
Right.
And
Keep exploring.
and we'll see you on the next one.